Programming is changing so fast right now that a lot of developers feel like the rules got rewritten overnight. A few years ago, you could build a small project, grind some leak code, and realistically aim for a solid software engineer job. Now, it can feel like you need to build a full product, deploy it, scale it, write docs, and explain it to 5 different stakeholders just to get an interview. But here's the reality check. It's not all doom and gloom. The market didn't die, it shifted. And if you understand the shift, you can position yourself ahead of most devs. What's actually happening? Companies still need software, they're still hiring, but what they expect from developers has evolved. Because code is cheaper and faster to produce than ever. Notice I said cheaper and faster, not always better. High-quality code, clean architecture, solid decisions, reliable systems is still rare. That's why great engineers are still in demand. The difference is, the job is splitting into 2 extreme directions. Direction 1, hyper-generalists, the can-you-ship developer. This isn't another full-stack fatigue rant. We already know most teams want people who can move across the stack. What's new is that engineering now often includes product thinking and communication. More roles are engineering plus customer plus business blended together. That's why jobs like forward-deployed engineers and embedded technical roles are rising. You're close to users, building custom workflows, integrations, and solutions tailored to real business needs. And this is the part many devs ignore. You need soft skills, asking the right questions, clarifying requirements, writing clear updates and docs, explaining trade-offs without sounding defensive. Call it the great yappening of programming. The best devs don't just code, they align humans and ship outcomes. Direction 2, extreme specialists, the best in one-lane developer. If the first path is broad impact, the second path is deep leverage. Specialists go hard in areas where pretty good isn't enough. Performance, infrastructure, databases, security, compilers, ML, distributed systems. These are the people companies fight for because their work is difficult to replace and creates huge advantage. But this path usually takes years of focused effort and obsession-level depth. The uncomfortable truth. The middle is shrinking. It's harder now to be average and coast. Boot camp plus interview grind isn't a complete strategy anymore. You need proof, real projects, real skills, real problem solving. So here's the move. Pick your path. Become a hyper-generalist who can ship end-to-end, or become an extreme specialist with undeniable depth. Either way, the devs who win in 2026 are the ones who adapt early. If this helped, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel.